What up, y'all? It is your boy Zach. Number one music fan. Number one video game fan. You know why I'm making this? Most girls are like, why are you making this video? It's not a food and school bus video. No. It's not a food and school bus video. It's a power hour video. Yeah, buddy. And the thunder rolls. It's gonna be good. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds. Isn't that crazy? It's raining like crazy. Look at that. The boys girls are like, are you waiting for your bus? No, I'm not waiting for my bus. I'm just out here to hang out. Alright? The power hour. The power hours continue to rule. Hashtag thunder. Hashtag lightning. Hashtag. You know what you need first? Hashtag. And the thunder rolls. I'm here to hang out. You know? And boys and girls are like, you shouldn't be outside during a thunderstorm. Those can strike any minute. I know, it's crazy. I'm just out here to hang out, you know? Dogs. I'm going under a tree. Wow. Fight part 2, the Lord. Life. Yeah. Hiding under there. Look at the clouds from up there. Sheesh. Hear that? Also hear that? And you also hear that? That's the sound of the power hour. Yeah, right. Here we go, y'all. Let the madness begin. I know, I'm weird. Oh. Oh. Here, I got you. I know I'm funny. I'm hiding under this tree for some protection. Most girls are like, I thought the power hour could survive during thunderstorms. Yeah, he can. Sheesh. The lightning bolt man can strike wherever he goes. The sound of the power hour. I'm just hanging out, you know. What's it like? Be careful with those pine cones. Yeah, I know how to be careful. I made a Mother Nature video back on my other YouTube channel, wasn't it? Or wasn't it? Was it this YouTube channel? And I talked about pine cones and something else. It's gonna be a 5-minute video, by the way. Maybe 5 minutes 30. Look at that. Everyone's inside right now, probably because of this thunderstorm rolling. But the power hour never fears. Oh, sheesh. There's my cue. And credits come from the outro. I love you all. See you later, y'all. Hashtag the power hours. Hashtag the power hours continue to rule. Hashtag the power hour is awesome. Hashtag awesome sauce. Hashtag Mr. Power Hour. Hashtag Mrs. Power Hour. Hashtag the main power hour. Alright. Sheesh. Hold on. I'm going until this ends. Alright, see ya. Peace.